a child passenger safety technician, and I review baby products for a living. And today we are reviewing the Chicco NextFit, which just came out a couple of months ago. We're very excited. Now Chicco has tons of brand loyalty for those people who are coming off of the #1 rated KeyFit. Everyone's very excited to see if this one will meet up to expectations, so let's have a look. And let me just tell you, at $300 it better perform because it is one of the most pricey car seats on the market. So let's have a look. Okay, so this seat actually comes in 5 different colors. There's 2 that are available at Babies R Us. This is one of them. This is the Gemini. None of these colors are particularly feminine, so if you have a boy, you're going to be really stoked about that. One of them is available exclusively at Target. That's the Gravity. And one of them is available at Bye Bye Baby and Amazon. That's the Intrigue. And then finally the Mystique is at Amazon and other dealers. So check out which color you like, figure out where you want to buy it. Alright, so there's 2 things that really set this seat apart from most other convertible seats. And the first is called SuperCinch, which is really cool. So that's getting the darn thing into your car. So it's got like this built-in self-ratcheting system where you go step 1, click over here. I know you can't see that, but just pretend. Step 2 is you click it over here. You bite down, okay, you pull, it's clearly marked, pull first, up, pull second, right? Look at that thing, it's self-ratcheting. I'm not wrestling this thing like a wild animal. I just pulled it, I'm just a girl, right, whatever, and it's tight, it's pretty tight. So we love the SuperCinch, it's very cool. The second thing that sets the seat apart is the 9 recline positions. So you see this bubble? Yes? Okay, bubble. So this gives you a range of positions. So most seats only have 2, maybe 3 positions. This one has 9, so you can choose. As long as you're still within this range, you can choose if your baby wants to be reclined if they're tired, or more upright if they're alert. Also, if you have a small car and you have trouble getting this thing into your back seat, you can choose one of the more upright positions as long as it's still within this range, okay? The other thing is you don't have to put pool noodles in or rolled up towels because ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So those 2 things, the SuperCinch and the ReclineSure, we're really happy about this seat. Another thing you're going to love about this seat, especially if you have a KeyFit and you're used to the way that the KeyFit works to loosen and tighten the harness, is the same thing. You just press the orange button and you pull the straps loose, plunk your kid in, buckle it up, and then you just pull right here to get it real tight again. Now, a lot of people are complaining on the review sites that this thing is not very smooth and that it's hard to tighten. Personally, I'm not seeing it, I don't understand, but hey, maybe I got a good one and they got a bad one. The next thing that I really love about this seat is it's just freaking beautiful, man. I mean, look at the seat, look at the fit and finish of the seat is really nice, and you know, it is a Chicco, it's Italian made, it's more like a Peg in some of the higher end seats. So I think that this seat is really good looking. If you're into that, you'll be very happy. So let's talk about some of the complaints that people are having, because you know no seat is perfect. The first complaint is the harness tightening and loosening. But again, guys, I'm not seeing this. I don't understand. Maybe they fixed it, which would be great. So I don't understand that. I don't find that to be a problem. The second complaint that you're seeing on the review sites is the shoulder pads. And they seem innocent enough. And when I first saw the reviews, I thought, oh, come on, guys, how bad can it really be? But actually, I put Lucy in it last night, and she did not like it one bit. It caused a lot of irritation and redness around her neck. They're kind of rubbery and tacky on the bottom. You can't remove them. So I agree the shoulder pads are no good. I don't like them. But guys, that's really my only complaint is the shoulder pad situation. So, I mean, all in all, if you're in the market for a high-end luxury seat and you don't mind dropping a lot of Benjamins on a car seat, this is a great one. So maybe if you're concerned about that, get the seat, keep the receipt with you, try it with your kid. If you like it, great. If not, ship it back. And that's all I have to say.